afternoon. Right now it's 1 o'clock in Dubai in the afternoon. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. So today we will do a fridge tour. I'll show you what's inside my fridge and how I arrange them accordingly. So let's get started. On this side, I have put all my Indian spices. Inside the fridge or in the freezer, it's here. And why? It's because it will prolong their shelf life. So this is all the things here I have fish masala. This is all Indian spices, guys. And then here in the first, on the top, in the first layer, I have here some choco bar. It is an ice cream, guys, because every time we finish our meal, mostly on the after dinner, we'll have something sweet. And then here are French fries, put it here. And this is some, actually this is for breakfast. These are for breakfast. And I have some paneer. This paneer is Indian cottage cheese. Okay, it's for my husband. And I have some ready-made chicken kebabs. And here, down here, these are my pork sausages. Down here, I have this pork sausage. This is for emergency, guys. If emergency means if I'm tired of cooking, so I just grab this and no need to thaw, just direct cooking. And these are the pork. It's already cut pork for adobo with sitaw. And this is my fish. And some fish down there. Some fish. And this is chicken. So normally guys, I go for shopping, grocery shopping, good for 2 weeks for us. So I don't actually keep on going every now and then. So twice a month, I go for food shopping. Especially here, I don't have time to keep on going every day. So this is my 2 frozen chicken. And another pork belly. This is beef. I have to make steak. Beef steak Tagalog. And this is my fish again to make one Indian dish. So all this I have. And now we move to the lower one. So these are my eggs. Put my eggs there. So again, I have another here, some Indian masalas. So this is for all, for chicken, for fish, for grilling meat, some pickles, all that I have. And this one is Szechuan chutney. So okay, I have this. I have ginger garlic paste. Down here, I have the juice. I have lemon, mint juice, orange juice, my daughter's favorite. So this is my mayonnaise. Actually, it's almost finished, guys, so I have to buy new ones. It's almost finished. My vanilla, when I have to bake something, cake or whatever, so I have to use. And these are the eggs. Okay, so now come here, you have to pull this up. So from here you can see I have custard, and this is custard. This is actually for my daughter after food, dessert, or any other day when she feels like having it. And my cream cheese. Yogurt. I always have yogurt. I use this for marination. Why? Because when you cook, it will soften the meat, becomes soft, especially for beef, mutton. Mutton means goat meat. So laban for my husband. As you can see here, I have Red Horse beer for my husband. Once in a while, he drinks once in a while, just to relax and chill in the evening while he's watching a movie. Down here, these are milk. I have milk here. I have some. Actually, guys, my fridge is not really actually organized because I don't have time. It's just such a mess. This is watermelon. I have a ketchup here because I don't have actually space. I don't know where I have to put this. Just no space. I have a cheddar cheese. No, sorry, mozzarella cheese. Okay. So these are another cheese again. And this is Lorpak butter. I use this for cooking. Okay. And then now I have some fruits here. We eat lots of fruits, guys. We love fruits. We love eating fruits, guys, so we always have fruits. And these are my hopia, Filipino food. And my daughter has left this. My daughter doesn't like fudge bar.
I like.
You like? Okay. And then down here, last shelf, I have all this. Sorry guys, such a really mess. So I have down there inside, I have some medicines. So actually also I put my medicine in the fridge, and so
And there's onion.
yes. And then those are those things. I have a mushroom because I don't have space here. I don't have space here, so I have put it here. So I have mushroom. This is a sprout beans. I have to cook this for tomorrow. And this is my egg white. This was the leftover from my leche flan yesterday. So this is the squash. This actually they call it butternut squash. Butternut squash in Dubai. So normally I give this for my daughter. And this one is just the leftover food. So this is the leftover food we have. Actually guys, this is also leftover food. Why it is inside the ice cream box? Because actually I'm not, when we buy the ice cream and we finish it off, I'm not throwing all this. Because I'm recycling I recycle them and use and put something. I can use them use as a food container. So we have to help save the earth. So once it's not in good condition, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, it depends, then I can throw them out. Then here, actually this is the mint leaves I harvested yesterday. I'm going to make pudina today, so I'll show you the steps on how to make it. So now we are here in the vegetables. Sorry guys. So here it's my vegetables. This is ladyfinger. In Philippines it is okra. So I have this still in the plastic bag because it is just like that. I just put in the plastic bag. So when I want to cook it, I just grab them all together in one plastic bag. It's easy for me. Then I have tomatoes. I have tomatoes also here. And then I have green chili. The same thing also in green chili. I just put in a plastic. Okay. So I have cucumber. This is actually pepino in Philippines. I think. Pepino. But this is cucumber. And I have lots of lemon. Sometimes my daughter just eat just like that, raw lemon. Normally I have this because this is normally I'm using this for marination. I have capsicum just to make pizza, homemade pizza I have. And then this is lettuce for the salad. And this is cauliflower. And this is cauliflower. And this is radish. Radish is really actually good for your health. I mean, it cleans your blood. And this is cabbage. I have just half cabbage. So this is all I have. So this is how my fridge looks like inside. That's all for my fridge tour, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye!